Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Drey Chang. So what is the Drey Chang? Drey Chang is the rice wine. So that's what I'm going to show you guys now. Alright guys, so let's get started now. So first you're gonna cook the rice. So you can cook the rice so how you cook, no problem. Okay, so once you cook the rice, so we have to cool down the rice. You see here I put the rice on the plastic, so we have to cool down the rice. Just let it cool down, but not very cold, like warm. Actually more colder than the warm. Okay, but hot is not good, but too cold is not good. It has to be colder than warm. Okay, so once it cooled down, then we have to put this one. It's called pap. So in Tibetan we call pap. If you guys know that name in English, please leave the comment below. Thank you so much. Alright, so now I'm going to use one piece of pap and I'm going to crush it. And then I'm going to put on the rice after it cooled down. So once you split the pap into the rice, then make sure you're gonna mix it well. Then you're gonna put it into the bucket. It doesn't have to be the same bucket what I'm using now, so you can use your bucket which you like. So after that, I'm going to put the whole bucket into the plastic bag. Then let he sleep for a couple days. Sometimes he can wake up 1.5 days, sometimes he can wake up after a couple days. So it depends on the amounts and it depends on your skills. Alright guys, let's open this one. I leave it for 2.5 days. Alright, I think it looks like it's ready. You see the water? The juices came out, you see? That means it's ready. I can smell it. It smells very, very good. Alright, so Drey Chang is very good. So after that, I'm gonna put the Drey Chang into my other container, which I can close very tight. And then I'm gonna keep it for another couple of days with the container, then which is this. Alright, so when you open it, very be careful. It has air inside. When I open it, it almost explodes. Okay, guys. So be careful. It's a little bit dangerous. Alright. So after a couple of days, my chang is ready. It's ready to drink. Alright, guys. So after that, you can put some cold water. Actually, right now it's very, very strong. So you can add some cold water, then you can drink it, no problem. Alright guys, so this is pretty much about how it process. Alright, so I hope you guys like the recipe of the Drey Chang. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Touch the leg.